Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Delta Plus variant may defeat vaccines, antibodies, and infection immunity bonds, prove Jamil. While evidence shows that the Delta variant dominated during the second wave of COVID-19 in India, there is a growing concern about the parent variant's most recent mutations known as the Delta Plus or AY.01. Experts have said that Delta Plus variant could evade both vaccines and infections immunity. One of India's top virologists and former member of the INSOCOG, Professor Shahid Jamil, fears the Delta Plus variant may be capable of evading both immunities from COVID vaccine as well as immunity generated by the earlier infections. Professor Jamil explained that this is because Delta Plus possesses not only all of the characteristics of the original Delta variant but also mutations known as K417N, which was discovered in the Beta variant in South Africa. It's well established that the Beta variant of concern evades vaccines much better than the Alpha variant or even the Delta variant, he said. This is evidenced by the fact that the South African government had returned a consignment of AstraZeneca vaccines, claiming that it was ineffective against the variant there. Michael Holding on racism. I don't think I would be alive if I grew up in UK, says first bowling break. Former West Indies first bowler Michael Holding, a strong advocate of the Black Lives Matter movement, feels fairness in his youth would have cost him his life if he grew up in England. I don't think I would be alive today. As a young man, I was a bit fiery. I kicked a stamp out of the ground in New Zealand. So, can you imagine me going through what Imoni went through? Holding told the Telegraph. Holding's new book on racism, Why We Kneel, How We Rise, is soon to be released. Since George Floyd was killed by a white cop in the United States last year, Holding's voice has shown through as leading light on the sensitive aspects of racism. Holding says while growing up in Jamaica, he never experienced racism. He said, growing up in Jamaica, I didn't experience racism. I experienced it every time I left Jamaica. Each time I experienced it, I just told myself, this is not your life. I will soon be going back home. And if I had made a stand, my career would not have lasted as long as it did. I would not have had a long television career we had seen through history. The black people who stand up for their rights and call out injustice are victimized. Mercy, if I had spoken out, they would have said another angry young man, get rid of him. I would have been another person on the dung heap, added Holding. The 67-year-old said that his sister found one of the chapters difficult as it took a toll on her emotionally. I sent a chapter to my sister and she said she could not read it. The ones about lynchings and dehumanization's tree, and that was turned into a postcard. Don't believe third or fourth front can challenge BJP in 2024, polls Prashant Kishore said. Poll strategist Prashant Kishore said India Today that he will not be part of the informal meeting to be hosted by NCP chief Sharad Pawar on Tuesday. The meeting of Rashtra Manch, a political forum established by Yashwant Sinha, is scheduled to be held at Pawar's 6th Janpad residence in New Delhi. A rule-out association with any such third front gathering, Prashant Kishore told India Today. The political strategist went to say that he does not believe that a third or fourth front can challenge the BJP in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Interestingly, Prashant Kishore met Sharad Pawar at the latter's official residence in New Delhi on Monday. The meeting lasted for nearly 3 hours and was the second such interaction between the poll strategist and the Nationalist Congress Party chief over a period of 10 days. Kishore had earlier met Pawar at his Silver Oaks residence in Mumbai on June 11. When asked, the political strategist had told reporters that the meeting was a mere courtesy lunch and not a discussion on political strategy. However, Maharashtra Minister and NCP leader Nawab Malik said on Monday that Sharad Pawar working to unite all opposition leaders. The meeting at 6 Janpath on Tuesday will be attended by Trinamool leader Yashwant Sinha, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah, and former JD MP Pawan Verma. Others who are expected to attend include lyricist Javed Akhtar, journalist Karan Thapar, and economist Arun Kumar. In addition to the Rashtramanch meet, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar is also stated to host the NCP's National Executive meeting at his official residence in New Delhi on Tuesday. After Lord Ram claimed, Nepal PM Oli says yoga did not originate in India. In his address on International Yoga Day on Monday, Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli claimed that yoga originated in Nepal and not in India. He stated that yoga was practiced in his country long before the existence of India as a nation. Much before the existence of India as a nation, yoga was practiced in Nepal. When yoga was discovered, India had not been constituted. There was no country like India then. There was just several French states. So, yoga originated in Nepal or around Uttarakhand. Yoga did not originate in India, Oli said. Nepal Prime Minister Oli went on to say that due credit had not been given to the sages who discovered yoga. He also said that his nation had not been able to take yoga across the globe, but India had made the practice famous internationally. Oli stated, "We never gave credit to our sages who discovered yoga. We have always talked about professors and their contributions, but we could not put our claim. Rightly, we could not take it across the globe." Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi made yoga famous by proposing to celebrate International Yoga Day on the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. Then it got international recognition.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.